This field has a little drainage ditch with a pond, little teeny tiny pond. But all along here, there's a ditch that is full of tadpoles. See all them? Got about 730 liters in here. Don't really want to use it all, but it's supposed to rain the next few days. I already dumped, I think, 900 liters in here. Only got like 100 there, 730 here. That one's totally empty, but let's save some tadpoles. And we're throwing. I at least want to fill to that little pocket. So there's like 10,000 or whatever in there. And that'll dry out probably before the rain actually starts. It drizzled a couple minutes ago, but not enough to fill this. So let's hope the rains actually come. And I'm not just wasting all of my rainwater storage, because that would stink. Probably been 5 minutes and they're connected, but I don't think enough where they can actually swim out yet. I'm gonna keep pouring for another 5-10 minutes, then I'll probably stop it. It's only been like, I don't know, 50 to 100 liters. So I don't think I'll have to waste all my water on this. Saving frogs. The little island was somewhere around here, so this is definitely enough. Let's go see how much water I have left. Down to about 525, so call that 205 liters. But look at that sunset. That's just gorgeous. Look at that view. What a good day.